This is Storm Track 12.
A pretty quiet start to the weekend today, but for tomorrow we could see some more active weather. And the Storm Prediction Center has placed us under a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow. That's a 2 out of 5 on the scale. So what that means is we could see some scattered severe weather tomorrow, and the best timing for that will be tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. But after tomorrow, for the start of next week, here's what we're looking at, and this is Tropical Storm Isaias, and it was downgraded to a tropical storm just a few hours ago by the National Hurricane Center. And here's a look at it on radar right now. Some of those outer rain bands are starting to impact southern Florida right now, but as the weekend progresses and into the beginning of next week, this storm is expected to keep tracking up the East Coast. So we're going to keep an eye on that and see how it's going to impact our weather here. But for now, here's a look at satellite and radar across our area. We keep those mostly cloudy skies with us, and we do have quite a bit of rain moving into the area right now as well. Zooming in a little bit closer, a few of those showers are starting to pass through our area, and we are expecting to keep that chance for rain with us throughout tonight. Current temperatures are in the 70s right now. Sydney and Windsor both at 70 degrees. Greene is at 72 degrees. Lisle and Binghamton both at 75. Conklin at 71 degrees. Appalachian at 75. And Spencer is at 74 degrees. For tonight, once again, we are expecting a few showers to pass through the area, but it is going to be pretty muggy out there tonight. Then for tomorrow, we are looking at that severe weather threat. And for the start of next week, we are monitoring the track of that tropical storm. But then after that, we are looking at some quiet weather to end our week and to start next weekend. But here's what we're looking at for the main threats for any severe weather that we could see for tomorrow. Right now, the main threat seems to be some damaging winds followed by some heavy rainfall. Both the flash flood and hail threats remain low tomorrow, and the tornado threat remains low as well. But the tornado threat is not zero for tomorrow, so that's something we're going to be keeping a very close eye on throughout the day tomorrow. And here's a look at the track of Tropical Storm Isaias. It is expected to strengthen again into a Category 1 hurricane overnight and throughout the day on Sunday. Then after that into Monday, it is expected to weaken once again into a tropical storm, and it will continue tracking up the East Coast through Tuesday and into Wednesday, and that's when it could have an impact on our weather here. So this yellow highlighted area here is the cone of uncertainty, and we're right on the edge of it. So if this storm just wiggles a little bit eastward or a little bit westward, that's going to have an impact on how much rain we see from this storm here. But right now, we aren't really expecting any major impacts on our weather here from this storm. Future track overnight, keeping us mostly cloudy with a few showers around, and that continues throughout tomorrow morning as well. We could see a few showers tomorrow morning, but the main rain chances are going to come into the afternoon and into the early evening. Here's right around 4:30. Some scattered showers and storms out there, and that's when we see the potential for that severe weather as well with the heating of the day tomorrow afternoon and into the early evening. But then that rain clears out of our area for tomorrow night, and we're looking at a quiet night for tomorrow. Low temperatures tonight are expected to stay on the mild side in the mid to upper 60s. Then tomorrow morning by 10 o'clock, we're back up into the 70s. By lunchtime, we're nearing 80 degrees, and high temperatures for tomorrow are expected to top out in the low to mid 80s. Then by tomorrow evening, we're back down to around 80 degrees. For tonight, we're looking at a low temperature of 65 degrees, going to be pretty muggy out there. A few showers around as well. Range of temperatures 63 to 70 degrees. And here's a look at the rest of your 7-day forecast. For Sunday, 40% chance of showers and storms with a high of 83 degrees. For Monday, 30% chance of showers and storms with a high of 80 degrees. Then for Tuesday and Wednesday, that's when we're looking at the impacts from that tropical storm. 70% chance of showers and storms for Tuesday with a high of 77. A few showers could linger into Wednesday as well, but then by the end of next week, we're looking at some more quiet weather.